Looking to quickly change your header background color in WordPress using the Astra theme? Whether you want a fresh look for your site branding or just to make your navigation bar pop, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update your header background in Astra's Header Builder, step by step, including how to separately style different parts of your header if you want that extra flexibility. Let's dive right in. First things first, the easiest and fastest way to make this change is by using the built-in header builder that comes with Astra. No code, no fuss, just a couple of clicks. So let's start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll see Appearance. Go ahead and click on that, then select Customize. This takes you into the Astra Customizer, which is where most of the theme settings live. Once you're in the Customizer interface, find and select Header Builder on the left. Now, if you've never used Header Builder before, don't worry, it's super visual, kind of like arranging blocks or sections in a layout tool. Right at the bottom of this preview area, you'll see a row called Primary Header. Hover your mouse over this row, and you'll notice a little gear icon pops up. That's your settings button for this section, so go ahead and click it. Now look over to the sidebar that appears and switch to the Design tab. Sometimes these tabs are subtle, so just double-check you're in the right place. The Design section is where you can control all the styling details. Scroll down until you find Background. You'll spot a color selector tool, click it, and this opens up your palette. Here you can pick any color you like. For example, if your brand is all about blues and greens, select a shade in that range. Or if you want to get creative, Astra lets you add a gradient instead of a solid color. It's all really intuitive, just click, drag, and preview the changes live. Whenever you adjust the header background color, it instantly refreshes in the preview window. Take a moment to check how the new color looks with your logo and your navigation links. Sometimes a color looks great on its own but clashes with other elements, so don't be afraid to try a few options before settling. Now, let's say you're using Astra's more advanced header layouts, with an above header or below header bar for things like announcements or extra navigation. Good news, you can style these sections independently. In the Header Builder area, simply click the gear icon on the specific row you want to update. Maybe that's the above header. Just like before, go to the Design tab, scroll to Background, and use the color selector to choose something that complements your main header or helps it stand out. This is handy if, for example, you want your top bar to highlight a special promotion with a bold color while keeping your main header more understated. Don't worry if your layout looks a little different. Astra's Customizer evolves each year, and the label might slightly change. But the overall workflow remains very similar. Settings icon, Design tab, Background, and choose your color. Once you're happy with your choices, just make sure to hit Publish up top to save your changes. And that's it, you've given your site's header a fresh new look, all without touching a single line of code. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by tapping the like button and drop any questions in the comments below. I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress and Astra theme tips just like this. See you in the next video.